Brown here. This is for my CPMT 2445 class. This is project 5, disk imaging, and I'm going to be using Rescuezilla. As you can see here, what to do is go to Google, type in Rescuezilla, click on the first link. You can scroll down here and click the latest version. It's going to take you to this page. You just click the download link right here. I'll start downloading. I already have it here in my downloads. So all you're going to do is either copy and paste it into your bootable USB or just drag and drop it over here. And as you can see here, I already have Rescuezilla. This is my Ventoy bootable USB. After this whole process, you are going to need an external hard drive that's pretty big to make a backup. So you can see here, I made a folder named Aces Backup. It's got the day that I made the image, and it's got the compressed files here. So next thing you're going to do is restart your device. And for mine, I'm actually going to have to disable secure boot. So let me just, we'll have to spam F2 for my Asus laptop to get into the BIOS. Okay, let's start spamming F2. Don't want to miss it. Oh man, how did we miss that? Let's try again. Okay, I accidentally missed it, so now we're on here on my BIOS. We're going to hit F7 for advanced mode. Then we're going to go over here to security. Go to secure boot. Oops. Secure boot. And we are going to disable it. Go over here, save and exit. Yes, and now we're going to start spamming escape for the bootloader menu. Okay, now we're going to boot to the USB. And you can see here we're going to choose Rescuezilla. Boot into normal mode. Here we're just going to hit English. Hit start Rescuezilla. Right here it's going to reboot, kind of. Give it a couple seconds here. Let me just show you a couple things that Rescuezilla has. As you can see here, we have a file manager system. We actually have Firefox on here, a terminal, Gparted, I think that's a partitioning system, mousepad, and then the actual Rescuezilla program that we're going to be using. Sorry. And you can actually hook this up to the Wi-Fi as well. So you can connect it to your home Wi-Fi and actually use this GUI version of the desktop that Rescuezilla has. Let's go back here. So you can create a backup here, and you can restore from the hard drive like I had picked up. You can clone your hard drives, just to let you know when we do cloning. For this, you are going to need a hard drive that is the exact same size or bigger of the one that you're cloning. So I didn't get to do a full clone because I don't have another hard drive the same size as this one. But I'll show you the process. It's basically the same thing as doing the backup image. As you can see here, you're going to choose the hard drive you want to back up. It's going to be this one right here. You'll hit next. Your destination, which is going to be, where is it? There you go. This little hard drive of mine is basically like a 250 gigabyte hard drive. You'll select the partitions that you want to clone. You click all of them, but here it tells you basically need a bigger hard drive because there's no compressing the image. So we'll get out of that. So what I did was a backup, which basically cloned the exact hard drive, but this is more like a recovery tool. So you'll choose your hard drive here. You click next, select all the partitions. The BitLocker one doesn't really work too well, so you don't really have to back that up. And then you're just going to select the hard drive you want to back it up onto. Here's my 250 gigabyte one. You'll just hit next. And this one's actually full right now with the backup that I made, but here you'll browse. You can create a folder inside of here. That's where I created this Aces backup one. So I would just click select, okay. As you can see here, it's going to create the file. Here next, you can name the image, so you can just put it to, it gives you the date, image, Rescuezilla, and you can add whatever else you want to it, like a number or anything else to it. We're just going to hit next. Here, you're going to keep the compression format to gzip, just leave it as the default. There are other options, but I haven't tried or looked them up, so we'll just leave it on gzip. And on the compression level, you can either do it by the fastest or the best. The more you get to best, the longer it will take. And the closest to the fastest, it'll take less time, but it may not be completely perfect. You'll hit next, and then you'll confirm the configuration. Next, and it'll start creating your backup. And that's about it. Once it's done, let me cancel because I don't want to make another one. Okay, there we go. I don't want to make another one, so okay, so after you've made your backup image, you'll want to come here and you can verify the image. You just click here, it's going to identify the drives. You're going to select the backup, hit next. And here you're going to select the folder that it's in, Aces backup. Okay, I'll show you the images. There's the one that started getting created, but this is the one I had made previously. You'll just hit next and it'll start verifying that that image does work. You'll run it, takes maybe like a minute or so, and then it'll tell you whether or not the image is good. And from there you can start restoring the computer, or you can save it. Whenever something happens, you can restore it But that's about it for Rescuezilla. Thank you.